Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Felandha Prameswari Putri. I'm the second semester student of Medical Record and Health Information Department. And today I would like to present about quantitative and qualitative analysis with a document with the two examples of medical record templates. But before that, I would like to explain what is the quantitative analysis and what is the qualitative analysis and what are components. Okay, the first is quantitative analysis is aimed at the number of medical record sheets accordingly with the length of treatment includes medical sheet completeness. The components are identification review, listing review, reporting review, authentication review. The second is qualitative analysis, aimed at the quality of medical record files. And the components are completeness and review, consistency of diagnosis, consistency and completeness of recording diagnosis, care and record, review care and treatment, and review is informed consent is required. So this is the case of the quantitative analysis, and I choose the title with quantitative analysis in patient medical record and malware word at RCD ignorant. Table 1. We can see that the highest completeness is found in and out sheets as much as 100%. Table 2 shows the highest completeness is found in operating reports amounting to 100%. Table 3 can be seen that the highest completeness in filling the doctor's name is on the sheet operation reports amounting to 100%. Table 4. It can be seen that there is no acquisition of strikes and exception of documents. So the conclusions and suggestions are: from each review percentage, the completeness is still not 100%. It's better if the health officer is not right a complete medical record is given a sanction for completeness of the record. Medical can be achieved 100% in accordance with Government Gazette 129 of 2008 concerning hospital minimum service standard. We recommend that if there are parts and a blank is given a Z or zigzag in accordance with existing SOPs to avoid when someone is writing and others. We recommend that you review the completeness of the record medical is just not done when there is only demand but on a regular basis period. So this case of the qualitative analysis, and I choose the title with qualitative analysis of inpatient medical recording documents acute diarrhea for children at the Islamic Hospital of Society called the District Hospital in 2016. Table 1. The result of the observation shows all the sample already contains the clarity aspect of the problem and condition on diagnosis. Table 2. The observation result shows that all samples has contained a consistent input aspect. Table 3. From a sample of 82 medical record data already contain as many aspects of service reasons 18 medical record data because of the services provided to patient acute diarrhea. Table 3.4. The researcher concluded that it was appropriate. Table 5. Researcher concluded that it is not yet appropriate because there are still records of information about the patient's condition is illegible because of unclear writing of the doctor nurse. Table 6. The researcher concludes that it is appropriate the use of abbreviations and in each entry which is in the medical record data of patients with acute diarrhea under 5. So we immediately move with the table 12 because the table 7 until 11 it just tells us or explains us about the written error. This table explains in general the frequency of duplication either from the duration of diarrhea or the frequency of duplication per day. Table 21. Utilization of the meaning sign information, namely give inclusion of KAEN for D, RL, or Z, and is improved to replace electrolysis. Table 29. Utilization of information on antibiotics, namely antibiotics, are only given if there are indications, for example, dysentery, or bloody diarrhea, or cholera. Table 32. Use of information on return status, namely for know the patient's condition when he is discharged from the hospital as a result of treatment. The conclusions are: analysis of the clarity of the problem and condition on diagnosis 100 complaint. The result of action or therapy analysis according to 5 main aspects are still incomplete, and suggests for hospital are: health workers to complement medical record data immediately after finishing doing action or examination. 2. Or B. It's necessary to do a quality analysis record keeping to evaluate quality medical services provided by doctors who take care. Writing and medical record data must be filled with clear, correct, complete, and timely by authorized officer. Okay, that's all from me. And thank you for joining me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.